too early for this bullshit. Oh! I woke up around like 6 something. Oh my god, I look so pretty. I woke up around like 6 something, but then I ended up falling back to sleep. So now we have like an hour to get ready. Oh, by the way, we're going to an appointment out of town, so you're coming with us. We're gonna go get my child ready. Well, I'm gonna get ready first really quick, and then we'll get her ready. Okay guys, we're gonna go wake up my child. Which why am I just because she's gonna wake that ass up. Elena. Elena. Baby. Why do you always end up in the corner? Like, girl, you have all that space. Also, look at all these stains. I swear to you, these are literally from her drooling. Oh! Were you texting the hus? Were you texting the freaking hus? She's like, Mom, if you don't get that damn camera on my face right now. I kid you not, guys. Like, I literally never match. Like, it's the shirt. If I do have the opportunity and the chance to buy myself something, I don't know what to buy. Like, I have like no sense of style anymore. Like, I don't know what's my style. Right now, I'm making her a little batch of feeding just to have it ready, because yeah, usually her feedings, they start at 8, but I kind of want her feeding to last through the car ride, at least half of the car ride, so that when we get there, she doesn't have to be on her feeding, and it'll be a little bit easier. Yeah, that way her next feeding could just be when we get back in the car and on the way back home.
Shit. Spin that shit. Yeah. Spin that shit. Spin that shit.
Honestly, I might change. This is like throwing me off. As long as my daughter looks good, that's all that matters. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, look, you look kind of skinny. Well, my ass kind of look fat though too. Yeah. Who that is? Who that is? Oh, don't turn to the front, honey. So this is her outfit for today. It might be a little big. Completely forgot she had this. She actually was given this last summer. Okay, while I get her ready, I'm gonna tell you guys how we get to her appointments, because I've had people ask me, because like, for those who don't know, I don't have a quad, but by choice. I wish that was true. Yeah, so we use this thing called People for People. It's covered by my daughter's insurance. You guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy, like, oh, why would you go with a stranger? But this stranger, not really a stranger to us anymore. Married couple, actually, I met them when I was pregnant, because I used them when I was pregnant too, and I had out of town appointments because I was high risk pregnancy. They were actually there the day I had to stay at the hospital because I was having Elena. They've been there longer since her dad. They've been there longer since my mom. They've been there longer than anybody, which is kind of crazy. But God works in mysterious ways. I'm just kidding, guys. It's all facade. I actually use a chauffeur. Ew, do y'all need some rolls for Thanksgiving this year? I got plenty. Okay, it's too early to make that joke. I'll wait. This is her outfit, guys. The bow doesn't look too bad. I thought it was gonna look different, but has her AFOs on. Oh wait, we gotta do her this. Breathe. Willie girl, one more time. You have to do it one more time. One more time. There you go. Oh. Look at all these freaking stains from her on my couch. Like, these were yesterday. I need to clean my couches. I always say that and I never don't, so. So I'm gonna see if I can gather up a different outfit. Hey guys, this is the outfit change. Don't mind those, I have to wash those. But it's probably gonna be like in the 70s today, so yeah. But uncomfortable though. I'd rather be hot and comfortable rather than uncomfortable and hot. So anyways, so I'm gonna get her feedings ready to take with us, and then her feeding hooked up and ready. Okay, well, I'm trying to make sure I have everything packed in here. Of course, her feeding, it has to go in this little ice thing because it has to stay cool because it's already made. So, and I just filled up one big Dr. Brown's bottle. And then she has a feeding going right now. That's what I've been using as a diaper bag lately, just because I don't want to use her extra diaper bag anymore. All these diapers, I don't think I'm gonna need this much, but you can never be too safe. What Elena said. Then wipies. I got these at the dollar store for like when we're out and about. My walleteria. Her hearing aid case. I'm gonna take her fan just because she gets hot, and also for me. We're gonna take her little crunchy thing because she likes that. Diaper rash cream. And then for me, I'm just gonna take some like mascara and some lashes just in case I decide to put some on in the car. Probably won't though. Oh, and my AirPods are in here. Charger. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna take another one of her toys just in case. I ended up taking her AFOs off just because it's a long drive. We're going on a long trip. I don't want to overstimulate her. Who daughter? Whose daughter? What do I want? I've low-key been craving a Red Bull, but get a light. I hate when people look at me. Just kidding, guys. Feels like you driving famine, natural disasters. My baby is blue around for me. Kingdom to falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like my goodness. One thing I can't stand about these places is if they make changes to your appointments, they don't tell you what. There's no one at the fucking desk. Okay, like now I'm actually gonna get freaking irritated. So she has a this is what they told me. They scheduled her hearing test at 1, and the lady that does the molds for her hearing aids would just come down during her hearing test and do new molds, just because it doesn't even take like 10 minutes. Her molds are scheduled at 1. That wasn't even an appointment set up. That's what the lady told me downstairs. I come up and they told me hearing aid people are at lunch till 1:30. Call me ghetto, but I hate when these things don't have little paper things to set your baby on, so I use these. I actually like this because my grandma, anytime we go anywhere public, she'd always put like freaking 4 of those on the seat before I use the bathroom. Not even my own mother told me that. They sent us back down here.
Oh, well, let's find out. What's your name?
Elena. Elena done shit again. Oh my gosh. I swear, changing her diaper in public is a freaking workout. Or maybe I'm just a big bitch. And that's why I say you can never be too safe when packing diapers. What is that? What is that? Who's that big girl? That's you, baby.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
Okay. As you can see, she got a little mad. But now we're waiting for the doctor to talk about the results. Hey, hey. Look. Look, look. She's gonna get so pissed when they wake her up right now. And out we go. She's always so mad after these appointments. It's so annoying. Okay guys, we're back. Oh, look at my mess. So beautiful. Don't let that face fool you. She was acting like a brat in the quad. Hearing appointments, she just gets so pissed, which is totally understandable. You know, they're just picking at her ears. So... Oh my god, so cute. Who knows, maybe I'll clean my couches today. I'm not sure yet. But so that was our video, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watched all the way through, you're a baby. Say you're a baby. Say thank you for watching. Say bye. She like, B, get me out of the damn car seat. Okay, bye guys.